Hi, in this video, we'll try to understand what is correlated subquery in SQL. We often heard about subqueries, which is a great technique to use conditional logic to the query, which can be dynamic. Where correlated subqueries does the same, but it establishes a connection between the outer query and the inner query, which makes row-level operations easier and allow us to execute more complex and dynamic SQL queries. Let's understand the both type of queries with an example. This is an example of subquery which selects the details of the employees whose salaries are above the average employee salary in the database, and it's dynamic. As you can see in the picture, I have separated the outer query and the subquery for clarity. The notable difference is the subquery is still an individual query which can be executed separately to get results. Now, in case of correlated subquery, it's not gonna happen. The subquery part will be connected to the outer query. In this example, we have defined the employee table twice, once as outer and once as inner. As you can see in the picture, in the subquery part, we are comparing the both of the department ID from the outer employee table as well as the inner employee table to get the employee details of the employees whose salaries are greater than the average salaries in their respective departments. And here comes the difference, where subqueries are independent and can be executed separately. On the other hand, correlated subqueries are dependent on the outer query and cannot be executed alone. And from here, we can say subqueries doesn't interact with the columns of the outer query and correlated subqueries does. And that's the correlation between two queries.